Good morning, friends. My dear friend, Mr. Pragnesh Bhai, came directly from Auckland. He is a very well-known personality in Auckland. He has a good store there, Petrol Brothers and Chandni Chowk restaurant there. He has done his hair transplantation with me a few days back, and he will share his experience because he has heard a lot about hair transplantation, a lot about India, a lot about Turkey. Even his friends has done somewhere else, and he will share his experience. Pragnesh Bhai, please.
Oh, yes. So, first of all, thank you. You done my great job. But I heard from my one of the friend again, like he done the head transplant here. His name is Raj Majithia, and I asked him how was the process and everything. Which way he convinced me, and I got a little bit trust. And then I call you and prompt straight away you talk to me and like I don't know you are doctor or just a friend. That kind of talk. That's a much appreciated. That's
Thank
too
you.
good thing.
Thank you.
Like generally I never seen that one, and my all the friends are boldy, and we are struggling a lot to find a good transplant people. Like we've been to Turkey and everywhere we tried, and when I seen the Raj, I said okay, let's go ahead. And since I came here, you done my surgery within a 1 day. I landed in a Saturday, and like Monday I done the surgery. After that, whatever everyone like asked, even my sister asked, swelling, pain, or any side effects, but grace of God and your surgery means you are the best, kind of a similar to equivalent to God. I don't want to put on that one, but you are like that, but not a single pain or nothing. Really, Earth by it's best ever experience. I got it.
My pleasure. It's
Thank
my
you.
pleasure that people like you who have seen everything and you are choosing us. And this is my pleasure that even your relatives has done. Even after coming here, you
Yes. Yep.
understand that people are coming here, and this is my pleasure that you are
Yeah.
choosing people like
And
us.
now like you will get lots of people. One of the friends just came, and like as I told you, I have lots of boldy friends, and we are struggling for this one. You will get a good client and good response from you, like a proper knowledge how to handle the customers, not customers, like a patients. My industry's customer,
Yeah.
so like that. But nah, really appreciate. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much for choosing us, and I will shortly come to Chandni Chowk for that dal tadka.
Oh
And
yes.
he has everything in his
Yep.
Patel Brothers. So I
Yep.
request my viewers to go in his store in Auckland when you visit the New Zealand. So thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you.
choosing us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Much appreciated. Bye
Thank you.
bye.